Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, Birmingham. A very pretty car we have for you today. It's a Jaguar 3 litre XF diesel V6. Now this is the Portfolio, top of the range, but it has the S pack. So it's 275 brake horsepower Portfolio S. 2015. 54,000 miles from new. Now this car has had 9 services, 6 by Jaguar and 3 by a Jaguar specialist. Italian racing red, just stands out, speaks for itself. Stunning colour. 20-inch alloys, look like they may have been freshly repowder coated. Because it's the S model, it's got the black rear splitter in the bottom of the bumper, got the S flash badges on the back, Dunlop tyres, red wheel centre badges, wheels are immaculate, 20-inch obviously, see the little black squares on the door handles, so keyless entry, keyless start, got the chrome flashes on the front wings and Jaguar badges, which was an optional extra. Front park, rear park, reverse camera, 2 keys, obviously because it's the Portfolio, it's very well specified. Meridian sound system, 825 watt with all the speakers, electric sports seats, as we can see, sort of magnolia cream colour, no wear on the driver's seat. Got the piano black pack inside, leather stitched dashboard, Meridian centre speaker, heated and chilled, so climate controlled seats as well. DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, looks like it's never been sat in the back. Got the Jaguar mats with the piping on, absolutely stunning condition. This car's had a Jaguar boot liner in from new. So when you open the boot, it's immaculate. Spare wheel, towing eye never been used. Really clean in there. So got Meridian sound on the rear speakers as well. 54,000 miles, 9 services, Dunlop tyres, other than a few stone chips on the front, which just shows it's probably done some motorway work. You know, no other dents or scratches. Bound to get a few chips. This sort of car lives its life on the motorway. Wheels are absolutely immaculate. Red calipers with Jaguar badges. Notice in the mirrors, blind spot monitoring, see the little yellow light, which is an optional extra even on a Portfolio. Immaculate door cards. I've really looked after this. No wear anywhere in the aperture or on the seat at all. $54,100 miles. 9 services, so been over serviced this car, that's for sure. Just show you the reverse camera, it's nice and bright, a bit hard in this sunlight, but there you go. Reverse camera, really crisp. Obviously you've got your seats heated and chilled, so we can chill the passenger seat, we can heat the driver's seat, or vice versa. Satellite navigation, Bluetooth for your phone, DAB digital radio, electrically heated front screen, rear screen. Obviously if we press the sport button and close the door, we can have the dynamic mode. There you go, dynamic mode confirmed. Paddles on the steering wheel for the gearbox if you want them. Sports mode on the gearbox. Obviously got cruise control. So this car priced at £16,995. It's got the LED daytime running lights. Because it's the S, it's got the extended front bumper and the side skirts on the sills. Really, really beautiful car. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other stock, or visit our social media platforms, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook or Insta, or please go to YouTube, find Barclay Motor Company's channel, where all of our videos are uploaded. And if you subscribe, you'll be the first to see our new cars. As soon as they get uploaded, you'll get a notification. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.